Hi, thank you for choosing Intento MT plugin. This video will walk you through how to activate the plugin in memoQ. After you've downloaded the plugin, unzip it. Click into the folder and you will see there are two files in it. Move these two files into the Addings folder of memoQ. The path is also shown on screen. Now, relaunch your memoQ. You can go ahead to create a new project. Upload the file to translate. And click on Finish. On the Project Home tab, go down to Settings and you can see the Settings option for machine translation on the right. First, let's create an empty setting and name it as Intento. Next, a list of empty plugins will pop up and you can find Intento empty plugin at the top. Choose that one and move to the right side to do the configuration. Here, you can input your API keys and other credentials. You can find them from your Intento console and paste them in. Click on Retrieve Providers and you will get the full list of empty providers connected to Intento. One thing that you can't miss out is that Intento plugin also supports Google AutoML, meaning that you can leverage your own custom empty engines from Google. To do that, you need to input your relevant credentials from your Intento console. Your Google AutoML credentials should be pre-stored in your Intento console. For detailed instruction on this, you can refer to our blog post. In this demonstration video, I'm going to just use Google Translate API for now, and let's see how it works. Let's get started with translation. Once you start translating, you can see empty outputs provided by your selected engine on the right. You can insert this machine translation if you want. We hope you can enjoy working with Intento plugin in memoQ. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.